in the Bahamas.
Are you f***ing showing me up? Hit the goddamn plane!
You here to meet a 12-year-old boy?
What?
You here to meet a 12-year-old boy? No.
You're already recording? Why?
We made it.
We made it!
We're in the Bahamas.
Oh, okay.
I want to feed a turtle. Oh.
Any strip clubs?
Spritz?
Let's talk on you and I.
Oh shit, this is on the fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was putting. Wait.
This place is insane. All right, finally got settled in, went to the store, got some snacks, got some food, got some high noons. Hashtag ad. Use code MikeStan at checkout, but time to go outside.
Go right there. I'll zoom in. I'm gonna do a full body.
Cheers for you too.
Wait, I'm not in this.
Get in then.
Are we in it or is it just our
Everyone's in.
Salud.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ching ching.
We're only gonna do half shots. Alright,
No,
guys?
they're full shots. It's just
No, I'm saying. Look how big these lines are. These lines are massive.
Well, we're in their native way.
That's racist. That's not true by any.
Christ.
That's not true by any means, Chrissy.
I don't know. I just made that up. It sounded good, guys. Stop.
That's literally not true by any means.
Where do limes come from?
You have Google.
We're only doing half shots right now, guys.
They're literally full
Okay,
shot.
you're doing
That
it.
whole thing's a double.
Cheers, thank you, Pat.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
That's cool.
All right.
Cheers.
Pat.
Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now we got dinner cooked up by Chef Patrick. Let's crash. What do you think?
I don't know what I think.
We have
Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc or White Zinfandel or
Pinot Grigio.
Pinot Grigio. Oh my god, you
You say it so bad.
Shut the fuck up. Which one the fuck do you want?
Is this how you do it?
Just have the tail on the other end.
Wait a minute.
Why did you just drool?
Can I get a Sauvignon Hanoun?
You still have the tail on the wrong arm.
Yo, fuck your arm. This is my arm. It's nothing but the finest, sir. Let me make sure this is good.
There's so many liquids splashing around.
Wait, did you drink it?
I'm glad you're there with the shells. Yeah, whatever.
I'm gonna go with Pinot Grigio.
Which one's that?
There isn't Pinot Grigio.
Oh, sure we do have that. Of course we do.
No.
Would you like me to taste it first? All right. That was much better, I've got to tell you.
I thought you were gonna have the wrong arm going.
I am the pourer here. This doesn't have a little finger part.
Yeah, it's like a $10 bottle.
That's actually not that great.
Don't talk shit on my shitty wine, okay? It's what I can
That's
afford,
right.
it's what I like.
This is
Is it? Can I drink it out?
I didn't say wet.
Oh, putting dishes away. Ooh, put the trash away. Oh, God.
Like Spanish. Appreciate it.
You figure it out. All right, so is this a good view?
No, but we're gonna have to deal with it.
What are you trying to do?
They want it to be taller.
Oh, this is taller than yours. Come on! This is a good view.
That'll do. That'll do. We don't have to post it. It's just there for safety.
What are we doing?
I got a clicker.
Oh shit, he has to
Oh, I knew you were. Snap away. Snap away.
Wait, that hurt? Did that hurt you?
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Hey, my mouth! Hey, it's spilling over him too. Whew. Well, hungover today, but going for a little walk around the island. Maybe get some coffee or something like that. Then I don't know. Maybe go swimming. Who knows? We're not on plans today, so we'll see. Sorry. I fell.
What am I doing? Carl's in that. Sipping on your mimosa.
Is it a picture or a video?
I don't know.
Brent requests that all audio is removed. Hey, this is Kyle Stan. The Kyle Stan.
Listen, when I'm making noise.
My husband's a YouTuber. This is the Bahamas. I'm out here with. Oh, I'm out here with Britt. Woo! Chrissy. There's the man, the myth, the legend. You all know him. There's my big bro, looking like Big Daddy over there. There's Chris, living the island vibes. We're out here living, man.
I feel like there's like a sword. I feel like it's like rough.
Chrissy. Oh no, him by now. I knew the second he said he had something hurt on. He tried to grab me. Oh, her hair's wet.
We almost drank everything that we got yesterday, so we're gonna go to the store and get some more alcohol, more high noons. If I can find this stupid bag. Yeah, left. It's starting to rain a little bit, but we got the goods. Bye-bye, Scooter. Let's go. It's a bit sketchy crossing the street over in Bahamas. They drive on the left side, unlike America. So you gotta always look right instead of looking left. Kind of weird. Back to the Airbnb though. The Cowboys. Poop deck. Poop deck. Poop deck. Best boil fish. Ugh, that don't look good. Damn.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, well.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Now.
Napkin fell. Oh my god, Mike.
Am I allowed to eat yet?
Oh, I believe.
Oh, I already started.
Yeah. Wait, what are we doing?
Is that a quesadilla?
First, move your hand.
Okay.
Oh, I keep forgetting we're recording.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Watch that hat. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Appreciate it.
What's your thoughts on the poop deck?
It was pooping.
How about you?
What?
Do you like the poop deck?
Yes, I love the poop deck.
What's your rating out of 10?
I give it a 6.5 out of 10.
Damn, that's 6.5.
I love pooping all day.
I love it. I'll give it. Yeah, I love it. 6.5. What? All right. We took a nap after lunch. Oh, took a nap, showered, brushed my teeth. Time to go out, baby. Let's go. Slick Gorilla, baby. I actually had to get a second one because when we were in Germany, I brought my other one, almost a brand new bottle, and Chris, see them, lost his luggage. So I was like, yeah, just take it, dude. I think we're going to some, like, I don't know, bar, casino or something. I'll keep you posted.
I love when Monkey gets loaded and he wants to smoke a smoke.
My husband's a YouTuber. We have to sign in here. He does YouTube. Oh, he does. Notice how no one is his wife.
One, two, three, go! Let's go! Hit the goddamn plane! Oh my god.
Kind of bombs everything.
How's it feel to get your ass?
All right, looking a little rough. Day 3 in the books. 11 o'clock now. Sorry if it's windy, but our plans are today. Eagles versus the Dallas Cowboys. Go Birds. We're gonna rent scooters, go downtown to downtown Nassau, explore, do some fun stuff, and watch the Eagles. No one knows. See you guys then. Off to Nassau. These things friggin' zoom. But these things go fast. They don't stop really good though. Viral video, MikeStan gets hit by a car in Bahamas while riding a scooter. Cafe Johnny Canoe. Look at Lancey Poop. Bruh, the views, baby. Look at the views. Is that a car? That's a boat. Wait, what the f is that? What is that? Bro, it's a car boat. What the? Oh, sand it. Yeah. They don't like sand. Bro, what the f is that? It's a car boat. What the hell? That's crazy. Dude, I'm so confused there. Oh shit, watch the crack. That's gonna kill somebody. Watch out! Holy! Let's crouch! And they get brown and Red Bull. No, 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 no. Da 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 da. Oh, there's steps. Look at that. That's neat. People look like you have fucking 10 eyes when you have a GoPro on your head. Well, the scooter's ran out of battery, so we had to do a 10-minute walk. But we're Great Cliff Cigar Company. Stop number 1 of the day before the Eagles. Just had some lunch, now going to explore. Change of plans, we're going back home to watch the game.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, day 4, last full day of the Bahamas. 6:50, can't sleep, so I'll go for a run. Start the day off right. Agenda today, we're getting picked up at 9:30, and we're going to a boat booze cruise type thing. Going snorkeling, going to Pig Island, have dinner, and enjoy the last day. 3.5 miles now, walking it off. We got 2 hours, so cook some breakfast, shower, and then get the gate going, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah, how you doing?
Sharon, so y'all had a good time the other night?
Oh yeah. Good time, right, Mike? Oh yeah.
I heard you were looking for the strip club stuff.
Oh yeah, of course.
Did you find it?
No, no.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you later then, bro. Alright, this is some type of fort? I don't know. cool though. We gotta go get the boat now. Time to get on the boat, go snorkeling, have some lunch, some beers. We're going to Pig Island as well, so see you there. Whoa! Gotta catch that one. Kind of up. They're giving us hot dogs to feed the pigs. Ooh.
So get your sticks ready, stretch your move. Coming down, guys.
Oh!
Hi, little doggy! Little doggy! Ooh! Hi, little doggy! Real Reggie Roo!
By the way, they told us it's chicken hot dogs.
Little doggy! Little doggy! Oh!
Go to the side. Kyle, look at this one.
I know, I love
Holy cow! Dude! Don't get it wet. It's gonna break.
It's waterproof.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Yeah. Do you want your ladies to take it for you instead? Ready?
Do it.
Mike likes